2026, a year of higher dimension. Musa Wenkosi Joshua Mohlala, it's my name, a father of the nation. I just want to invite you for a special anointing service. It will be across the country. On the 27th, it will be Friday night from 10 p.m. up until 6 a.m. It will be an anointing service. Bonke abantwana bakahlula bathakathi must attend. Our branch in Durban, don't forget, it's an anointing service. Lesigi Kokstad, Mthatha, Queenstown, Umbu, as far as Gqeberha, East London. Ukuphuma kuya eBisho. Zonke indawo la sinamabandla khona. We are having an anointing service. Ngikhuluma ngawe Johannesburg, wena oseWitbank. People must be there. Lapho uyobekwa khona izandla kuthiwe mabuthetho bomnyama makuvela ukhanya. People must arrive as early as 6 p.m. but from 10 p.m. up until 6 a.m. in the morning. Kule nkonzo ke ye anointing service, bonke abantwana bakahlula bathakathi bayabizwa. I call you. Go to our branch for that special service. Bayokuthoba ngamafutha egameni lika Jesu. If you are in Cape Town, Western Cape, if you are in Southern Cape, as far as West Coast, utatakho uhlula bathakathi, your prophet uzoba khona ukuthoba ngamafutha. So make it a point you attend that service. On the 27th, it will be Friday night. It will be an anointing service from 10 p.m. up until 6 a.m. Bonke abantwana bakahlula bathakathi must attend. On Sunday, the 1st of March 2026, we are having a financial breakthrough service across our branches. That Sunday, don't miss it. Mfuna kutuza namakhadi wakho ne-ID yakho. Imali yase South Africa consists of 380 rand. 200 rand, 100 rand, 50 rand, 20 rand, 10 rand. Ngifuna ukuthi uphathe lo mali as a seed where you will be communicating with the wealth, the source of wealth in this country. I'll be anointing you with a money oil. Our prophets all over the branches will be anointing you with a money oil. I'm looking forward to have you. Mabuthetho bomnyama makuvela ukhanya. On the 3rd, it will be on Tuesday. It's a special prophetic Tuesday service. It's a prayer line. I'll be laying hands. Ngifuna abantu abagulayo, abantu abafuna imisebenzi, bonke abantu abathi hlula bathakathi sengihambe yonke indawo, angazi ukuthi ngiyophelelaphi. It will be a special prophetic service. You don't want to miss it. I'll be laying hands. People are coming all over. One up building Luzugo in Cape Town. Mabuthetho bomnyama makuvela ukhanya. Indlela zakho mazivuleke.